Why agile project management with design thinking? I believe you have the same question in your mind. It's been 10 years I am utilizing design thinking for my services and products, and I never regret it. To me, it is how I'm going to transform my idea from end user perspective. I believe, it is a high time to merge both design thinking and agile to do wonders. As you know, everybody is talking about startup culture and going for digital adoption, but you cannot do it either by going for design thinking or by utilizing agile project management. I would say, mark my words, the future is for those who can design products or services from end user perspective and execute it in an agile way. In this unique workshop that I'm saying, Agile with Design Thinking, I will be merging actually three big concepts for you to be future ready resource. Number one, this design thinking, to see product and services from end user perspective. And as it says, it's the next competitive advantage. Second, agile project management, or precisely Scrum project management, so that you can execute your idea in pieces so that you can manage uncertainty and changes. And finally, lean startup, to become a profitable entrepreneur so that you can actually develop your product or services either for yourself or for your organization. So, if you want to predict your future, then join life-changing workshop Agile with Design Thinking. See you there. Thank you.